Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your Geo SIM is activated for 5G and your plan includes access. Next, check the device supports the correct 5G bands like N78 and has the latest firmware installed. Compatibility avoids wasted troubleshooting. Once done, open network settings and set preferred mode to 5G or 5G+. Then reboot the phone so the carrier provisioning and device radio register cleanly with the Geo network. Now you optimize the connection. Enable VoNR if available so voice stays native on 5G and set network priority to 5G to prefer higher speed registration. After changing settings, toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds to force a fresh attach. This clears stale sessions. Then use manual network selection to rescan and reselect Geo, which can bind you to a stronger local G node B. If speeds are inconsistent, check for carrier updates or local provisioning flags and repeat the rescan. To finalize, run speed tests and a ping to measure latency. Consistent high throughput and low ping confirm a working 5G link. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort because it clears Wi-Fi and saved networks, but often restores proper radio behavior. Make sure to note cell ID and signal measurements before calling Geo support, providing those log speeds resolution. If you see no 5G after reset, report exact bands, cell ID, and timestamps when contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.